Assalamu alaikum. Students, today we are going to explain a new practical, that is practical number 2, known as mixture. Now, in this practical of mixture, we are going to separate. So, the object is to separate the components of mixture. Now, what are the components? Iron fillings, alum. Alum means salt, and the sand. These three things are mixed together, and we are going to separate these things. So, first of all, when you are going to write in your practical journal, so what you have to write? First of all, you have to write object, then you have to write apparatus, then third chemicals, theory, method. In this practical, we don't have observation and calculation. So, we have to write result diagram. Now, what about the diagrams? So, diagrams should be on a blank page. And what are the diagrams? These are the diagrams which you have to make. But which diagram you don't need to make? You have to make a diagram of separation of iron filling. You have to make a diagram of filtration, and you have to make a diagram of evaporation. But you don't need to make a diagram of making of solution. In your book, this diagram is given, but you don't need to make this diagram. Keep this in your mind. I make a tick over there, and which you don't may have to draw. I place a cross over there. Is that clear? Okay. Okay, students. Now we have a mixture over here. So you can see over here the mixture is. When you see this mixture, so this mixture is of iron fillings. These black things are iron fillings. This is the salt, which is called alum, and the sand is present over here. So we have three components over here, which I have told you on the board: sand, iron fillings, iron particles, and the sand. Now how we have to separate the iron fillings? So we need a magnet for it. This is called a strong magnet. By using this magnet, I am going to separate you the iron fillings. Now what I am doing, I place this magnet into a paper and place it over the mixture. So you are watching that all the iron fillings are attached to it. Now further what I have to do, I take it to this dish and remove the magnet from here. When I remove the magnet from here, so all the iron fillings are separated. But I have to do it again. Why? Because there must be some more iron fillings over here. इसको spread करें थोड़ा सा. We have to spread the mixture. थोड़ा सा फैला लें. So those iron fillings जो नीचे रह गई हैं, they can also be separated easily. So you are watching that some more iron fillings are attached now. So these iron fillings I am going to separate. So at the end, all the iron fillings will be separated. Now I am putting this iron filling over here like this. So you are watching that all the iron fillings are separated. You can see over here. Okay, students. Now you are watching that the iron fillings are separated. Now I have a mixture of sand and salt. So I have to separate these two things as well. How I am going to separate them? So isko I have to transfer. Now I am going to transfer this sand and alum. Alum is salt also. इसको मैंने ट्रांसफर कर दिया इस beaker में. I have transferred all this alum and salt in this beaker. Now what I have to do? I have to add some water over here. I am adding some water. But keep this in your mind that add a little amount of water. क्योंकि जितना हम water इसमें add करेंगे उतना हमारा result ज़्यादा clear रहेगा. Add a little amount of water, and this is the glass rod by which I am going to stir the solution. So what you are watching that I am stirring the solution. So sand will not dissolve in water, but which thing will be dissolved in water? That is salt. Salt is soluble in water, so salt will be dissolved. But what will be left? Sand will be left. You are watching, I am making a solution of sand and salt by using the water. So all the sand will remain left, and all the salt will be dissolved in water, because sand is insoluble in water and salt is soluble in water. After making this solution, now I have to transfer into the conical flask. So this is the funnel. I place it over here. This is the filter paper. Now make a threefold. This is a filter paper. Make a threefold. First make it half and then one more. So there are 3 layers now. 1, 2, 3. So after third layer I am going to open it so it can be adjusted into the funnel now. Like this. But after adjusting this filter paper into the funnel, I have to wet it as well. Why I am going to wet it? The reason is this कि मैं इसको जब वेट कर दूंगा तो ये इसकी वॉल से स्टिक हो जाएगा. वेट करने का रीज़न ताकि ये इसकी वॉल से स्टिक हो जाए एंड ड्यूरिंग प्रैक्टिकल कोई ऐसा इशू ना हो. सो इट विल वर्क प्रॉपरली. So you are watching that I place a filter paper over here. Now this is my solution of sand and salt. Now I am going to transfer this mixture into the filter through the filter paper, and keep this in your mind that try to transfer all the sand and salt. Sand जो है नीचे बैठ गई है तो कोशिश करें कि शेक करते हुए डालें ताकि आपके पास सैंड भी ट्रांसफर हो. It is necessary. Now you are watching this. You can watch this. A clear solution is going downward. नीचे आपके पास एक clear solution आ रहा है. It is not brown, but this solution is brown in color. This solution is brown because of the sand, but this is now clear. Means this is only salt and water, and this is sand, salt and water. Sand is left over here. Sand यहाँ पे filter paper में रह गई है, and salt and water are going downward. This thing is called residue. And the thing which is going downward is called filtrate. So I have to transfer all the sand and salt solution into this filter paper. So you are watching that it is very clear that the salt solution is going downward and the sand is upward. So by this we can separate sand and salt solution. So sand will be separated. So I will show you the sand on our next dish. Now you are watching that after the filtration, the sand is left in a filter paper, and this is the salt solution. Salt and water now separated. So I am going to show you how the sand is separated. Now you can easily see that iron fillings are separated, sand is separated. Now the last thing is salt and water, that is alum. Alum is also a salt, okay? Alum is a salt. So now I have to separate this salt and water, and you know how I can solve it? How can I am separating? By placing this on a evaporating dish. I am placing this salt and water on a evaporating dish. This is enough amount, okay? Now when I start the burner, this is the spirit lamp and this is the wooden bench which we call to increase the level of this spirit lamp. Now what I am doing? By lighting off this spirit lamp, okay, you are watching that the spirit lamp is now started. So I have to place this spirit lamp on this bench and start heating the salt solution. So what will be happen? Water will be evaporate and salt will be left in the china dish. Okay, sir? Now you can see over here that the all salt solution, that all water is evaporated, and over here you can see clearly the salt is left. So I have to remove this burner from here now because all the water is evaporated. So I am going to turn it off, and I have to let this evaporating dish cool. So when the all evaporation will be cooled down, so I have to scratch all this salt, and I will place it over here. You can see that salt is now almost separated. So all the things you can see: iron fillings, sand and salt. So these three things which are combined to form a mixture are now separated. So it is all about the object you have seen before, that I told you in the object to separate the component of mixture: iron fillings, alum and sand. So over here all the components of mixture are separated. Now I am going to show you how to scratch it. So this is the forceps by which I am holding this, and I am scratching this salt which I have separated, and now putting this salt into the So students, now you can see that iron fillings separated by iron, sand separated by filtration, and salt separated by evaporation. So this is all about today practical, that is practical number 2. And one thing I am telling you again, what is that? Make the diagrams on blank page. Separation of iron filling, these all 4 diagrams are given in a book. You have to make a diagram of separation of iron filling, you have to make a diagram of filtration, you have to make a diagram of evaporation. Don't make the diagram of making of salt solution. I have placed a cross over there. So students, that's for all now. Thank you.